Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Veronica and I make videos for mamas and homemakers and all things cooking, cleaning, and decorating. Today I am sharing with you part 1 of my Halloween Clean and Decorate with me. Today we are going to be decorating my living room. Today's video is in collaboration with some amazing women here on YouTube. Every one of us is bringing you tons of Halloween decor inspiration, so make sure you check out all of their videos. I will have the playlist linked down below for you. I am beginning by clearing off my mantle and putting away my faux pumpkins and my other fall decorations, and I'm going to go ahead and give this a good wipe down. You may notice that Rayanne is playing around in the same room. She was my little helper this day, so I was so excited to have her. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. I'm a huge fan of the Mrs. Meyer's brand cleaning products, and I especially love their fall line. The apple cider scent is my absolute favorite, and if they sold it year-round, I probably would clean my house with it every single week. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. Set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile. What is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors, like the moon is the snow. So when I'm decorating my mantle, I like to have a vision in my head in the beginning, and I really wanted to use some old books as well as this beautiful ornate skull with roses on it. Unfortunately, the books just were not working out, at least not all of them. So I did some rearranging, and I really love how this ended up turning out. Just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know. I did want to use some of my flickering candles. These are all battery operated and they are run on a timer. I absolutely love them, and I grabbed them at Costco a couple of years ago. And I decided that this skull was such a good piece that I was going to go ahead and use it front and center. So I decided to make it the focal point. And then I'm going to flank it by all the candles I have in my entire house.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me.
To tie in that color of red, I am going to go ahead and use some of these faux roses that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. These ones are extra creepy because they have eyeballs in them, and I can't beat the price for only $1. These are amazing.
Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else.
Roses come in a little pick like this, and all I'm going to do is cut the little stems so that I can use them on my mantle. I really love how the roses tied in to the skull in the center, and I just needed one more little touch to make this mantle complete. So I decided to use some of the crows that I grabbed from Amazon. I mentioned these in my Halloween decor haul video a couple of days ago. I will definitely make sure to link that video for you down below if you want to check it out. These crows are so cute, and they really tie this in together. I mentioned before that Rayanne was my little helper, so here she is just helping me clear off the couch of all of those pillows, making sure they're not in the way, of course. Are you helping me?
Oh, no.
Are you my official pillow tester?
No.
You going to test out those pillows? And now that I have switched out those pillows, I'm going to go ahead and make sure that my couch is set up the way I want.
How many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone, before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak?
I really love this black plaid throw that I picked up on Amazon. I just love how it looks on my gray couch. And I also love the juxtaposition it has against the pillow covers with the white background and the black writing. I just think they actually go together really well, and it just pulls this space together.
We can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Take me away.
Another place I really love to decorate are these 3 shelves in my living room area. I do find them quite challenging to get right though. So I decided for Halloween I really wanted to clear everything off of them and really focus on the gothic elements that I like to bring into my home during this time. So I am actually going to clear everything off and just use a couple of things that I already had on here, but I'm really going to hone in on those dark colors.
Just come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow.
I absolutely adore this clock, and I wanted to make sure that it was like the focal point of this middle shelf. So I decided that I would place it dead center so that it catches everybody's eye. And then from there, I just used some smaller pieces to flank it on each side to make it stand out.
Ooh, okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Baby, I just found the answers. Baby, I just found the answers in you.
After trying multiple renditions of trying to get this side to work, I decided that I needed to move on and come back to it because it just wasn't something that I loved.
Say you think about me because I'm starting to.
I truly love using signs in my decor. I think they bring such a fun element to different spaces, and I absolutely loved this Black Cat Tavern sign and the wood element that it brought to this room. So I'm so glad that I did pick this up last year, and I'm so happy that I finally found a place to use it. Another decorating hack that I love to use is actually using signs that have wooden frames as a way to elevate other decor. So here I'm just using a book and I'm stacking one of those signs I mentioned before as an elevation for some little statuettes.
I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up. 'Cause without you, everything stops. I'm feeling so lonely when you never phone me.
This antique projector is one of my favorite Halloween decor pieces. I love that it actually projects little skulls and ghosts on the wall, and it just looks so antique and adorable. So I do love making sure that this is out every single year. I also love to make it so it is super accessible to turn on, so I am plugging it in so that all I have to do is flip a switch and it will turn on each evening.
And I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out. Forget about the past. Now time moves slow. I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up. 'Cause without you, everything stops. But I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out. Forget about the past. Now time moves slow. I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere.
Two things that I love to include in my decor, no matter the season, are books and some glassware. So these antique glass bottles I picked up a long time ago and I use them all the time. But I also love using books that match each of the occasions. So these ones I'm stacking here are both horror stories, and I just think it adds the perfect little element of gothic to this space.
Good to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going.
The baby is really all about pulling everything down to the ground right now, so I had to keep it super simple on our little table here. So I just stacked a few books and put this antique haunted radio that I showed you guys in my Halloween decor collection video. I love this thing. It is so fun. I did have a couple of my fun pillows left, so I decided to go ahead and place them on this large leather chair, and then I moved on to changing out the florals in my hanging flower pots.
Guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego.
The trick with faux flowers is to make sure you really fluff them up and move them around. So since the black Halloween picks were not necessarily natural looking, I did want to pull in some other elements. So I used some white mum picks as well as some greenery stems that I had used in my fall decor.
Here he goes. Oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes. Here he goes. Here he goes. With his humble act and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego.
And the final thing that I need to decorate for this space is the tray we leave on the couch ottoman, and I'm going to quickly give this a wipe down before I put the Halloween decor on it. With the baby, I am all too cautious about what is around her and what she can grab. So using trays makes it super simple to still be able to decorate my home, but I can make things movable and easily remove them from her reach.
With his humble act and everlasting ego.
So for this tray, I'm using one of my haunted phones just because it's too cute not to. I'm going to use some of those stamped books that I made from my fall decorate with me, as well as a faux skull and a 3-wick candle holder. I have not yet grabbed my Bath & Body Works candles for Halloween, but I am planning on heading there soon. And that is the end of today's Clean and Decorate with me for Halloween. Remember, this is just part 1. I will be sharing more decorating inspiration and ideas here on my channel coming up on Friday. If you haven't already, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my future videos. I would love to have you be a part of my internet family. Also, I share a lot of decor and ideas over on my Instagram, so make sure you check me out over there as well. If you love Halloween decor ideas and inspiration, make sure you check out that playlist that I have linked below. I promise you, the women that I am collaborating with are amazing and they have so many amazing ideas to share. Until I see you next time, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!